Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use OpenAI endpoints and how you can use it in Power Platform. And for that, we will be creating a custom connector using Power Automate. And finally, we will see that how you can use that custom connector in Power Apps, and we can generate an image using the image generation APIs of OpenAI. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use an image generation API which is provided by OpenAI, and this is the endpoint URL which we are going to use api.openai.com slash v1 slash images slash generations. So let me navigate you first to the OpenAI official documentation where we'll see all these things that how you can generate the image using image generation APIs. So I'm in the URL platform.openai.com and I'm logged in with my account. So this is the personal account. What this image generation API offers is it creating images from scratch based on text prompt, editing the images and creating variation of the images. In this particular demo, I'm going to show you how we can create images from scratch, and we will give a text prompt, and based on text prompt, the image will be generated. For this generation, as I told that this is the API endpoint api.openai.com, which we will be using while creating the custom connector in Power Automate. So let's see this in action. Let's directly go to the Power Automate. I have already created a custom connector. I'll show you step by step how you can create it in your own environment. So this is the custom connector which I've created, test open API image. How you can create a custom connector is at the top in Power Automate. If you go on the left navigation, you will find two options, connections and custom connector. In case you are not able to see these options on the left navigation, no problem at all. Just click on more and you will discover all the options which are available in Power Automate. You can pin or unpin those options in Power Automate. So that is how you can create a new custom connector. I have created it from blank in this video. This custom connector, there are several other options to create a custom connector in Power Automate. So let's see this particular custom connector what I have already created. Whenever you create a custom connector in Power Automate, these 5 steps you have to complete. You have to follow all these steps and provide the necessary information. I will show you a step by step. So this is the first step, general step, where you can upload your own icon for the custom connector, give some background color, give the description, and then you can use the scheme either HTTPS or HTTP. And this is the host URL which you have to specify, api.openai.com. And then you can go to the next step, which is security. In the security, there are different authentication types which you can use: no authentication or API key authentication, OAuth authentication, different types of authentication. For this particular demo purpose, I have used the API key authentication because if you have seen very carefully, the authorization header, it talks about the bearer and you have to pass the open API key. So it's an API key kind of authentication which we have to use for image generation API. So I've used API key, parameter name I have given already given as authorization, and parameter location as header. Let's go to the definition. In the definition, I have created a new action, generate image, given the description, and then the operation ID. Although it's an operation ID, but this is the name of the function. You can consider it the name of the function which you are creating. In this case, I have given generate image online. Now for the request part, you have to specify the URL of the complete endpoint. In this case, openai.com slash images slash generations. And accordingly, you have to specify the headers, content type, and the body. Once this is done, directly you can jump to the test part of your custom connector and you can test the connection. For testing the connection, definitely it asks for the API key which you have to provide. Now, how you can get the API key from OpenAI? Here in your personal account, if you navigate to this URL platform.openai.com, go to your account and you can see the option called View API Keys. If you go to the View API Key, you can generate a new secret key which you can use for API key authentication in Power Automate. So that I have already done, and now we are ready to test our operation, you have to just give a prompt. Let's say if I give a prompt as horse and I just click on test operation. If we get a status code of 200, then it means it's a success and we have got the URL. We will get the URL of the particular image which is generated. So you see here inside the data parameter, there is a parameter called URL, and this is the output which we will get through this API. So that is how we have created. Now this is the first step of this demo of creating the custom connector. This custom connector is already created. Please remember the custom connector name is test open API image, and the operation name which we have given is generate image online. When you create a custom connector, it's not like it's not available in Power Apps. Please remember it's available both in Power Apps and Power Automate. Now let's navigate to the Power Apps where I can show you a demo that how I have used this custom connector. So in the Power Apps, I've created a Canvas app. I have added an image control, a button, and a text input. This text input will be used to enter the prompt which I can provide. Now on the click of the button, what I am doing is that I'm setting a variable where response, and this is the basically the connector, test open API image, and this is the operation, or you can say the function. And this function you see here is taking three inputs, which we specified in the custom connector. What is the text input, how many images you want to create, and what is the size of image you want to create. For using the custom connector, what you have to do is you have to first make a connection to your custom connector. My custom connector is test open API image, which I've already connected to. That's why I'm able to get this test open API image, and I'm calling it on select of a button. For image control, for image property of the image control, I'm just setting the first image because I'm getting the response in a variable dot data dot URL. Now you can see this that this is a global variable, and for this global variable, if you see here how we get the value of data, if I view the record, so you see here data, the value is present in the data, and if I click this, the value is present ultimately in the URL. That is how I got to know that how I have to use this first of this is my variable a table dot data dot URL. So that is how you can also use this custom connector. And in this custom connector, as I told, we are calling the Open API endpoint for image generation. Now let's test this app. I just want to, let's say, generate an image for lion. So I will click on generate image. And what it will do, it will call the custom connector, and custom connector will ultimately call the API endpoint for generating the image. Once that is done, you see the image will be generated on the Power Apps. So that's all in this video. In this video, I have showed you how you can create a custom connector and how you can call the OpenAI endpoints, and then finally how you can use it in a Power Apps. Thanks for watching this video. The description, in the description, you will find all the URLs which I have showed you in this video. Thank you.